मेरे सामने आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपने मुझे और करण के लिए भेजे थे, और हम दोनों साथ में वो चूज़ करके उनका जवाब देने वाले थे. बट नो वरीज, आई विल कवर अप फॉर करण. तो मैं अभी सारे क्वेश्चंस जितने मेरे लिए हैं उन सब का जवाब दूंगी आपको. तो लेट्स डू इट. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम रंजनी. हाय रंजनी. Classic Events UAE in their Twitter page posted the on-screen couple with maximum number of retweets will get invitation to perform in Dubai. Oh, that's nice. Shanak got the maximum number of RTs. Wow. So if Classic Events invite them, do they go and perform together? Why not? मतलब मैं कभी इंडिया से बाहर नहीं गई और मैंने सुना दुबई में शॉपिंग करने का मौका मिलता है. मतलब मौका एज इन बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है शॉपिंग करने के लिए. तो ऑब्वियसली यार आई वुड लव टू. Okay, the second question, do they have Shanak Yasharan photo frame sent by us in their room? Which one? Can they describe the photo frame? Photo frame नहीं है, but yes, मेरे पास एक पिक्चर है जो मैंने अपने कबर्ड पे लगाई थी. शायद आप लोगों ने वो नोटिस की होगी. वो ये शादी वाली पिक्चर थी, ये वाली. So ये पिक्चर मेरे कबर्ड पे लगी हुई है और ऐसी मेरी बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स लगी हुई है. तो उनमें से ये एक है. Oh, thank you so much, Ranjini. I hope you got your answers. Now let's move to the another one. Okay, this is from Poo. Hi, Poo. The bond which Yasharan share between them, how it is unique and different from others. Well, I think हमारी on-screen chemistry बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी. हम दोनों एक दूसरे के अच्छे दोस्त हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करते एक दूसरे से, पर हाँ हम दोनों एक दूसरे के काम को और एक दूसरे को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट मेक्स अस यूनिक. नाउ सेकेंड, इन यशारन्स ओपिनियन विच प्रोडक्ट कुड दे एंडोर्स टुगेदर इन एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट फॉर और टीवी कमर्शियल? आई थिंक Colgate. I have done it already, but yes, I would love to do an ad film with Colgate since करण की स्माइल अच्छी है और सब कहते हैं कि मेरी भी थोड़ी सी अच्छी है. तो आई वुड लव टू डू दैट. थैंक यू सो मच पू फॉर गिविंग मी द लिंक. आई हैव ओनली वन क्वेश्चन फॉर माई यशारन. नाउ दैट यू गाइज हैव बिकम एक्सपीरियंस्ड होस्ट्स, वुड यू लाइक टू होस्ट अ रियलिटी शो टुगेदर? मिस यू बोथ. डोंट आई लुक लाइक आई एम ऑलरेडी होस्टिंग वन? इंडिया फोरम्स कुछ काम है, प्लीज दे दो. Yes, obviously यार, hosting is like I started my career from hosting, so I don't mind. And I'm already hosting a show for Badi Batein, that is for InSync channel. तो अगर करण मेरे साथ होस्ट करना चाहे तो we will be like wow. अच्छा, this is from Sarun23. that's the user name on India Forums website. इनका question है awesome. Amazing news. My question is, are they going to do a new show together? And Yashashri, when are you planning to come on TV? Oof. Okay, हम साथ में शो, why not यार? मतलब हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता, ये कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स और प्रोड्यूसर्स और चैनल के हाथ में होता है. तो अगर हमें कोई साथ में कास्ट करता है तो आई वुड लव टू डू इट. एंड येस, व्हेन एम आई कमिंग बैक टू टीवी, आई डोंट नो. आई थिंक इट विल टेक अ लिटिल लॉन्गर दिस टाइम. तोफीज. हाय तोफीज. Oh, I'm so excited to hear this news. It will be my question to both is, what's your take on Bollywood jodis being repeated but television jodis not? Do you believe that you and Yashashri or Karan can break this stereotype by appearing in a show together again? Yes, as I said कि हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता, प्रोड्यूसर्स के हाथ में होता है. आई थिंक एक दो जोड़ियाँ रिपीट हुई थी टेलीविजन पे, लाइक हितेन तेजवानी एंड गौरी फॉर कुटुम्ब 1 एंड कुटुम्ब 2. अगेन ना बोले तुम ना मैंने कुछ कहा. तो आई डोंट नो, देयर कैन बी ओडनी पार्ट 2 एज वेल. May, so famous. I love you, May. How are you, baby? Okay, now we are going to read your question. What is most important for them as an actor? Fame, job security, that is money, recognition of their work, challenging good roles, working with good production houses, or any other reason? They can pick more than one answer. I would say all of them. Because obviously money तो हर किसी को चाहिए होता है survival के लिए. Fame, without fame you people will not recognize us, right? Then recognition of their work, obviously every actor, every actress think कि हाँ यार कोई तो मेरे काम की तारीफ करे, मुझे एक ट्रॉफी दे दे, अवार्ड मिले, तो हर कोई चाहता है. Challenging good roles, obviously क्योंकि आजकल टीवी पे इतने कम रोल्स ऐसे हैं जिनको जिनको देख के ऐसा लगता है काश ये मेरा होता. तो ऑब्वियसली चैलेंजिंग रोल्स and working with good production house, that is a must. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, now second one. Who's their favorite Shanak Yasharan Rang Badalti Odni fan and who gives them the most tension? May, should I say this? Acha. Or yes, the favorite ones, I think there were 3 girls who came on my set. Usme se Karishma, I'm sorry girls, I forgot your name, all of you. But I remember Karishma. उसके साथ और 2 लड़कियाँ आई थी. They are like my most favorite fans. They came, they sat with me, we chit chat, we had lunch together. So, and yes, there is one more, Mezina. I think Mezina, she's not from India. नहीं, she's from India, but she's from North side. और वो यहाँ पर आई थी मुझसे मिलने, especially Mumbai. तो wow, that was nice. Okay, now we go to Manisha. Hi Manisha. Since both of them are very good actors, can they do impersonation of each other? Thank you for the compliment. I think I can't. I'm very bad at mimicry or, copying someone. So I don't think so I can do it. But I think Karan is very good at that. So he might be able to do it. If he remembers my habits and everything. If they have to describe each other with a song, then which song they will choose? I think I will choose Ye Ladka Hai Allah Deewana because we have performed on that song and we really enjoyed it. And I think it suits both of us, Karan and me as well. So I'll choose that one. P.S. I love you. It's not a question, but my request for Yasharan, post the interview. Please click some pics together and post them for your fans. I'm so sorry, Karan is not here. Otherwise, I was planning to click a picture and post it on Facebook, but sorry. Okay, now Monica. My question to my Yasharan, question 1. Okay, can you guys please hug each other for a few minutes so I can believe that I'm watching you together? Sorry. What is the best or worst thing about each other that you still remember? I think the best thing about Karan was his humor. It's very quick and it's witty too. And the worst thing about him was he always wanted to go home early, which everyone does, but इससे ज़्यादा बुरी चीज़ कुछ मुझे याद नहीं आ रही है. Okay, now we go to KTYM. KT Karan Tacker, YM Yashashri Masurkar. Nice. What factor of Yasharan it is do they think that kept their fans still go crazy for them? I think हम दोनों से जितना हो पाया, जितना बन पाया, हम लोगों ने उतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश की. But I think credit goes to our writers, our dialogue writers especially, because they had such amazing dialogues and amazing scenes जिसकी वजह से हम इतना अच्छा कर पाए. So I think credit goes to them. The second one, their two top most favorite Shanak scenes and why they like them. Oh, I think the first one was obviously that Suhagrat wala song, which I loved the most because I loved that dress and we were shooting post 2 o'clock. Oof, but it was mazedar. And the second one, I remember the Bhang ka scene. I remember that scene and I really like it. I don't know why, but I like it. Okay, we go to the next one. I love all the questions here. Oh my God, मैं क्या पूछूं? I'm so excited and happy कि दिमाग की बत्ती एकदम गुल है. आंसर करते वक्त मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती गुल है. Okay, this is from Shafifa. She is asking, RBO was one serial which showcased the present youths and something which had fresh concepts and realistic. Both of you had got a chance to play variety of role in it. Many different fresh tracks were also played in it, which were not like the ordinary Saas Bahu types. And of all, I think it will be for the first time a book is released inspired by characters of serial. That is true, I agree, and I feel so blessed for that. You both have got luck in that case too. RBO is actually more than all this for us, but what is RBO for both of you? Shafifa wants to ask कि RBO was very popular, तो क्या don't you think RBO का second part होना चाहिए? Obviously होना चाहिए यार, come on. It was a very nice serial, very well written, very well directed, and of course the credit goes to producers as well for making such a brilliant and unique serial. So I would love to do the second part. Okay, and the second question is, and yes, she talked about a book release, which I feel so nice about. And the second question asks, क्या है? हाँ, we were voted as a number 1 most evergreen couples of television. Wow, that is nice. I thought it should have been Ram and Sakshi, but it's okay. Nice. I feel nice about it, but that's it. I think RBO is over. We have been talking about it for 4 years. इससे ज़्यादा क्या expect कर सकती है यार मैं? Come on. Okay, now the second one. Sudha Reddy. Hi Sudha, I remember you. Question for Yasharan. How do they feel about the book is being published inspired by chemistry of Shanak? I feel brilliant, absolutely brilliant, because ऐसा आज से पहले मैंने सुना नहीं कि किसी के बारे में हुआ है. और I would love to read that book. I've got it. मैं वो जाके घर पे पढ़ूंगी and obviously I'll reply to see me after reading that book. What they miss most about playing Shanak and what do they think about beautiful VMs and excellent Siggis made on Shanak and Yasharan? VM and Siggis, I just love them. That is the reason why I have started uploading it on my website as the VM of the month. And as well as Siggis are brilliant too. मतलब अलग अलग pictures लेके अलग अलग कुछ बनाना. It's nice यार. I want to learn it. Okay. Oh, Shanak San. Okay, I'm sorry if I pronounced it incorrectly. Very happy to say this. If right now he or she will get a chance to perform one of the scenes from Odni, then which scene he or she will pick? Oh, I think I'll pick the one in one of my favorite scenes. That was in kitchen. जब मैं वो सब्जी काटती हूँ and I get my frustration out saying कि नताशा तो शान तो नताशा का and all. I love that scene, so I would love to perform that. According to them, what is the best and worst thing about being an actor? The best thing about being an actor is you get to live so many lives in one life. And the worst thing is you're always insecure. You don't know what is going to happen next after one serial has ended or one film is finished. You don't know where your career is taking you. So I think the insecurity is the worst thing about being an actor. There is a question from Ms. Wahian. Hi. RBO still lives in our heart. What RBO matters for you both? Obviously, it was my first show on Hindi television, so it matters to me a lot, and which gave me a lot of fame. People still recognize me from that show, so it really close to my heart. And the second one is describe your chemistry in one word. I would say Shanak is a perfect word for us. इतने सारे questions. How many questions do you guys have for me and Karan? अच्छा. अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के जवाब मैंने दे दिए. कुछ है जो बचे हुए जिनके अभी नहीं दे सकते, उनको मैं पर्सनली IF वेबसाइट पर रिप्लाई करूँगी. और एल्स यू कैन अगेन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन माई वेबसाइट contact@yashashree.com. उस पर भी मैं आपको आंसर्स दे दूँगी. सो डोंट वरी. सी या.